Genesis chapter 1. The story of creation. In the very beginning, before there were trees, animals, oceans, or even people, there was only God. There was no light, no sky, no land. Everything was empty and dark. But God was there, and God is powerful. God decided to create the world, and when God creates, He simply speaks. First, God said, "Let there be light," and light appeared. God separated the light from the darkness. He called the light day and the darkness night, and God saw that it was good. On the second day, God made the sky to separate the waters above from the waters below. On the third day, God gathered the waters together so dry land could appear. He made grass, plants, and trees grow on the earth, and God saw that it was good. On the fourth day, God made the sun to shine during the day, and the moon and stars to shine at night. On the fifth day, God filled the seas with fish and the sky with birds. On the sixth day, God created animals to live on the land. And then God did something very special. God created people, a man and a woman, in His own image. That means people were made to reflect who God is. God blessed them and gave them care over the earth. After everything was finished, God looked at all He had made, and it was very good. On the seventh day, God rested. The story of creation teaches us something important. God is the creator of everything. The world did not happen by accident. God made it with purpose and care. It also reminds us that people are special. We were made in God's image. That means every person has value. When we look at the sky, the ocean, the animals, or even each other, we can remember, God made this. And what He makes is good.